Hey everybody, this is Mike from My Protection Connection, and this is Lily from Lilly, and she's not really very photogenic. As a matter of fact, she really hates getting her picture taken, so she's out of here. Lily's a member of the family. Here in our house, we have my wife and I and our dog Lily, and I think I rate number 3 in that pecking order. I'm not sure who's number 1, but I'm going to pretty much guess that it's the dog. 70 to $100 a month for specialized dog food, $40 a month to get her hair done. Yep, she's a high maintenance hound. And it's funny, I was pulling in the garage today and was thinking about that. And I have a decent car. I mean, it's nothing special, but I pay a bazillion dollars for auto and home insurance. And if you deal with My Protection Connection, you know that's not the case, because we're really good at keeping your price down. But I was thinking about, here's this member of our family, the dog, that we don't do anything to protect. We take her to the vet, it's $300, and heaven help us if anything bad happens. You've been recently been reading on Facebook people losing their pets, and it's such a traumatic experience because you're losing a family member. And you know, I watch people do these fund me accounts because they couldn't afford to pay the bills for their vet, and they had to choose to put their best friend down versus pay the vet. So here at My Protection Connection, we decided we were going to take a look at this and see, you know, if there were decent policies out there, because the number one requested benefit when people are asked outside of their retirement and their own personal health insurance was protection for their pet. Covers at any vet you want to go to, so you don't have to stick in network, and it's just a great policy. Now Lily, who you met earlier, she's about 13 years old now, or pushing 13, so a pet like that's going to be a little more expensive. But you know, I think you'd all agree, I would rather not have to make that decision when the day comes that she needs a couple $1,000 procedure and I have to choose putting her to sleep over paying her bill. And you know, it's not a question that we'd want to ask of a family member. I mean, if my sister or my mother or my wife or my dad was sick, I wouldn't want, well, you know, I can't pay for that heart surgery, so you know, just go ahead and give him the shot and put him to sleep. Of course, there are those occasions where you might think that you might want to, but in reality, we don't, and we don't want to make it when it comes to our pets either. So go ahead and click on the link below and find out a little bit about the pet insurance. It's super affordable. I was just tremendously surprised. Also, if you have any questions, you can reach us at www.myprotectionconnection.com, or you can email me at mike@myprotectconnect.com. Tried to shorten that up a little bit for you. Also put that here at the bottom of the screen, and you're going to find that on the page as well. So I hope you're having a great day, and this won't be the last you hear from me. Hopefully one of these days I'll have my own commercial, and I'll hire somebody that's much better looking than me to be on that commercial. I hear I have a face for radio, so maybe the next time I'll bring Lily back up as well. So again, thanks for your time, and hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.